This is the Renault Espace from 2010, and that LCD, the navigation is working, it is powered on. And to power it off, because the engine itself is off, we have this button which is light and dark, that one, the small one. Hold that button for a few seconds, so I'm holding it. Push light button to resume display. Okay, so the LCD, that one, the navigation was turned off, and if you press the button once again, then resuming display, and the navigation is back on. Hold it again, and it's off. Press it just once, and it's on.